Good morning. Today's topic of discussion is administration of justice in Madras in third stage during 1686 to 1726. Admiralty Code म्हणजे आरमारा संबंधी. This court was established in Madras in 1686 by the Charter of 1683. The charter empowered the court with power to decide admiralty cases, and hence the court came to be known as Admiralty Court. The composition of Admiralty Court, it consisted of one person learned in civil law and two merchants appointed by the company. The court was headed by Judge Advocate, that is Chief Justice, known as Judge Advocate. First Judge Advocate was Sir John Digges. So here you can see that first time here a person who is learned in law, he was appointed as a Judge Advocate. Jurisdiction: the court decided all cases of mercantile law or maritime nature, trespass, injuries म्हणजे हानी, and wrongs committed on high seas म्हणजेच cases of piracy, forfeiture and seizures of ships of goods. In other words, Admiralty Court decided cases of piracy म्हणजे समुद्री डकेत, robbing ships at sea, criminal jurisdiction, and had jurisdiction to decide petty civil cases. In civil cases, subject matter of valuation up to 2 pagodas. Pagodas means gold coins. The principle which was applied, the offense of piracy, which is म्हणजे samudri डकेत, is treated by international community to be the offense against the whole world. And law which was to be applied, this court applied the rule of equity, good conscience, and the law and customs of merchants. This court became the general court of the city for all practical purposes in settling all civil and criminal cases. The court functioned or the court continued till 1704. Mayor's Court. The company's charter of 1687 established a mayor's court at Madras. So earlier charter already we have seen that the charter of 18, 1863, and this mayor court was established by charter of 1687, which established a mayor's court at Madras. By the year 1687, Madras town had become a business center, international trading activities taking place at Madras, and employment opportunities were there for native Indians. So also foreigners were settling in Madras. The population of Madras was growing day by day. So accordingly, it was desired to establish a corporation at Madras. The corporation was intended to be constituted on the similar pattern of the London Corporation. So this corporation came to be established on 29 September 1688. Mayor's Court. The charter that is the charter of 1687, empowered the company to establish the mayor's court within the Madras Corporation. Composition of mayor's court. The composition of mayor's court was the mayor and 3 senior aldermen. They were called as justices of peace. Aldermen means जे पण काही सिनियर मेंबर्स असतात ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेशन दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज अल्डरमॅन. मेयर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की जो फर्स्ट पर्सन ऑफ कॉर्पोरेशन किंवा सिटी त्याला म्हटलं जातं मेयर. प्रत्येक कॉर्पोरेशन मध्ये हा मेयर असतो. Jurisdiction of mayor's court: all civil cases up to the value of 3 pagodas and all criminal cases with the help of jury be punished defenders by fine or imprisonment. Recorder of the court: a man learned in law called recorder. Recorder was a person well versed in law. He was appointed to assist mayor and the court. Court of record. Mayor's court was a court of record, and its decisions were reported and recorded. As you might be knowing that Supreme Court is a court of record because its decisions are reported and recorded. Appeals. Appeals were allowed to the Admiralty Court. Appeals from Mayor's Court and Admiralty Court were heard by Governor and Council. Choialty Court. As there was Mayor's Court established, the importance of Choialty Court was lost. Choialty Court system continued. They could try offences of petty nature and could decide small civil matters. So to sum up the position during this period, there was governor in council at a head and Admiralty Court, Mayor's Court and Choialty Courts were subordinate to governor in council, and the appeals from these courts, Admiralty Court, Mayor's Court and Choialty Court, lay to governor in council. With this, I have completed administration of justice in Madras in third stage during the period 1686 to 1726. In the next video, I will be explaining administration of justice in Bombay. Thank you.